Alright guys, I've got a project here. It's a genuine 88 M3. It's a touring car. It's got some of the iconic DTM German livery on it. You can see it's got Kevlar brackets here, gold BBS rims. So this is obviously a professional, active touring car. It's got an ATL fuel cell, trapdoors inside as well. We're making a custom fuel pump hanger for this. The person that's fabricating this will make a billet adapter, and it will sit a hybrid aftermarket industry setup, and then we'll use our new LiDAR laser fuel level sender here as well. It feels from the back, but this is a genuine M3, absolutely nuts. Okay, I have the engine here. Obviously genuine M3, 2.5 litre. It's pushing about 380 horsepower, or it'll push 380 horsepower. It's obviously been running. Billet sump here, machined right here in Australia, as you can see. A lot of work in this. And it runs a slide throttle, so it's completely open. So for those that are interested in the slide throttle, doesn't use a butterfly. There's no obstruction. Amazing engineering, back from the 80s BMW.
Closed.
And what do we use on the back end here? Those needle rollers.
Yes.
Can we have a look at those?
There's a spring steel plate that goes here. That's spring steel. That comes off, but that goes there. The rollers go in front.
What do you think this does for response time in terms of throttle?
There's no restriction on full open throttle. There's no butterfly. There's no nothing. No shaft.
For BMW fans, this is it's amazing. And we've got the billet throttle here, just to show the difference.
See shafts and butterfly and screws restriction.
Yeah.